Mail call. So, I got sent some boots by Cal. They make boots, and they said, "Would you like to do a review?" I said, "Sure. I could use some boots. Send them on over." So they did, and got a little beat up in shipping, but these are waterproof, neoprene, and rubber boots. So kind of like, what do they call them? Duck boots, muck boots. They're good for working in the muck. I told them I don't really often work in the slop, so I'll do what I can with the review. I got a couple ideas how we can kind of test these out. I've been suffering from a bum knee lately, and I'm not supposed to be on it, but I think we can make this work. So these are the boots they sent me, although they do sell a lot of other boots, different kinds. You can go to their website, calcalonline.com, check all that out. These boots, I will post a link in the description for Amazon. You can go there. There will also be a discount code, which I think is for 10% off. So if you go through that link, use the discount code, you get 10% off. There might be a little more than 10% off with some added bonuses, but I'm not sure if that expired. I'm behind on putting this video out, and I apologize for that, but bum knee, what can you do? So we got the, calf-high waterproof muck boots. They seem to have some pretty good tread on the bottom of them. So, nothing to do but to try them out. So I think I'm going to throw these things on. I'm going to go grab the mutt. We're going to go out in the back 40, and I'm going to see if we can find some mud, water, something to play around in. It's been really dry lately, but we did get a little bit of snow recently, and we might be able to find something to play in. Alrighty. Kick off my kicking around the shop boots. Seems like a pretty good fit. Try to get my pants tucked in there. I've never had a neoprene style boot like this before. I've got some rubber ones. Oh, I can't bend my knee. There we go. Wow, they feel pretty good. Alright, I'm going to go grab the mutt and get him ready to head out on an adventure. And then I'll catch up with you guys. Oh, look at this. We got some frozen water. The tread on these is really nice. It's very aggressive. Makes for some easy walking out here. Helps me not to slip and completely do my knee in. Then I'd be out of commission for quite a while. Yeah, I mean, no water yet. Let's go see if we can find something deeper. This guy's got his sweater on, he's ready. Here we go. It's the stream I was looking for. Well, let's see what happens. That is, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches deep. Oh yeah! Whoa! Getting deep! These are very comfortable. And very dry. You coming in with me? Hope I don't fall because this ain't my waterproof GoPro. The tread on them is really nice. I can kind of walk through the mud without much problem. Still staying really dry. These are really nice boots, guys. They're pretty fantastic. I kind of wish that I was out working in some muck to really show you what's going on, but thank God for the back of the homestead here. Oh, that we got some running water. I'm gonna go adventure around a little more in the water and take Adventure Dog with me, and then I'll catch back up with you. They're really warm. I mean, this water is probably what, like 35 degrees or something, and my feet are fine. And it's not that you need to have insulated boots, you just need to keep your feet dry. That's what keeps them warm in the winter, in my experience. What do I know? But very impressed with these. And now I just feel like I need to keep walking down this stream. It's like, I feel like a kid. What are you doing over there, Adventure Dog? You coming in? He's not gonna like this. What are you doing? Well, okay. Cal boots. I give it the thumbs up. I'd give you 2 thumbs up, but I'm holding the camera. So you can go to calcalonline.com, check out all the boots that they have there. You can go to the Amazon link, which will be in the description, along with the discount code, which I think I can put on the screen here. You get 10% off, I think. 15, 25, I think it's 10. But I think they have some other bonus stuff going on right now. So they're great boots. I mean, I've just been wandering right down this stream with no issue. Feet are dry, feet are warm, fantastic. So again, calcalonline.com. Go to the Amazon link in the description with the discount code. Pick some boots up. All right, I gotta go find my dog now. Try to take him back home. Dog! Dog! Gonna walk in the water with me? Your mom would kill me. Go back all muddy and freezing.